Ready to pass the GED? This video will show you how to build a practical plan. The most common mistake is treating the GED like one giant final exam. This approach spreads your attention too thin and leads to burnout. The official GED is actually 4 separate subject exams: mathematical reasoning, language arts, science, and social studies. You can take them one at a time. The best strategy is to focus your energy to pass one subject, bank that score, and then move to the next. This subject-by-subject approach turns an overwhelming goal into 4 manageable wins. Before you schedule a test or even start studying, you need a baseline. This is your week 0. Take some practice questions in all 4 subjects to see where you stand right now. You don't need a full official exam, just enough to see the pattern of your strengths and weaknesses. Create a simple tracker with your baseline score for each subject. This diagnostic step is crucial because it tells you which timeline to choose and what skills need the most work, saving you months of wasted effort. Once you have your baseline scores, pick your subject orders strategically. Don't just study everything at once. For most students, it's best to pass science or social studies first. These subjects often reward careful reading of charts and graphs, and an early pass builds momentum. Then tackle RLA, which is the longest test. If you're rusty in math, save it for your longest, most focused prep block. The goal isn't about pride. It's about finding the shortest path to 4 passing scores. The official passing score for each GED subject is 145, but you should not aim for exactly 145 in your practice. That leaves no room for error. Test day fatigue, a tough set of questions, or simple mistakes can easily erase a narrow margin. Instead, your target before scheduling an official test should be a practice score of 150 to 155. This score buffer is your safety net. It ensures that even with some test day pressure, you're still comfortably within the passing range. A successful study plan uses a simple, repeatable weekly loop for each subject. Start with a diagnostic to find your weak spots. Then, repair those specific skills instead of studying things you already know. After repair, drill with mixed practice questions to build accuracy and speed. The most important step is to review every mistake, rewriting the explanation in your own words. Finally, take a longer time simulation to check your readiness. This loop turns your study time into real, measurable score gains. So, when should you schedule the official test? Only schedule a subject when you can check 3 boxes. First, your recent practice scores are consistently in the 150 to 155 buffer zone. Second, you can finish timed practice sets without rushing or guessing on the last few questions. And third, your mistake log shows you fixed any repeating errors. Before you book, always check your specific state's rules on the official GED website for fees, ID requirements, and online testing availability, as these can vary. You have a clear path to passing all 4 GED subjects. Now it's time to take the first step. For more details, including specific strategies for math, RLA, science, and social studies, read the full guide on our site. You can start building your baseline right now with free practice questions for every subject at openexamprep.com. Take control of your plan today.